my name's Patrick Mulhay. This is my 1970 XW Falcon. This Fairmont about 5 years ago. Bought it off a senior gentleman at Dolby. It was stock as a rock. It was as if it rolled off the floor. It had not had a thing done to it. It was preserved on its third owner, and then when I got it, I decided to modernise it, go through the car, get it track ready. We put a 427 in. We upgraded the gearbox. It's a C10, 9-inch diff, 3.5 gears, bolt-in rack and pinion. Now it has power steering. The sole reason why it is really where it is today is because of the opinions people shared. For example, engine size, choice of gearbox, diff gears, how this particular machine should run and sound. It would be a lot easier to do what people do now and retrofit a Barra or an LS. But we kept it period correct with a Windsor, with a Fairmont, and I believe personally that's where the appreciation is.
They keep me locked up in